Hey Leannabelle, it's Josh Bedslow. It was nice talking to you on the phone earlier today, and this is that video I was telling you about that's going to be showing you 3 things you can do to start bringing more customers to your business. And you're probably sitting there wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands saying, I like what you're doing, Josh. Can you please keep doing this for me? So by the end of this video, if you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. The first thing I want to go over is content. When I'm talking about content, I'm not talking about just the amount of words on your page, but what type of keywords you're using. Google really likes to see about 1,500 words, especially on your home page, because Google sends out these robots. These robots look and crawl through content looking for these keywords, and the more content you have, the more they crawl. So what are these keywords that I'm talking about? So I go over here to my Keywords Everywhere tool. It costs about $10 for 100,000 credits, which will easily get you by for a couple of months, but it shows me what keywords you're ranking for. And you're not doing that bad. I see that Insulation of Jacksonville, Florida, you rank number 1. USA Insulation of Jacksonville, ranked number 1. Attic Insulation, Jacksonville, Florida, ranked number 1. But you're only ranked for 11 of them. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to your competition, which is Energy Seal Jacks. Energy Seal Jacks is your competition because when we type in spray foam insulation Jacksonville, Florida in the search bar, they're the first company to come up. Besides the ads and the map pack, we'll get to that in a second. Therefore, your competition. So these are the keywords they're ranking for. Spray foam insulation Jacksonville, Florida. You can see that they're starting to get into a little bit higher volumes. And so I really recommend you going and searching through your competition and finding out which are the highest hitting keywords for volume-wise and try to implement those in your content. The second thing I want to talk to you about was just how this homepage of Google is laid out, and you get the ads, all right? And ads are good, but research shows that they're only semi-effective. It can become a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly. The second thing we see here is the map pack. So how do you get ranked into Google Map Pack? Well, that brings me to my second thing, which is citations. Citations are anything as we call a NAP, name, address, or phone number, and you came up on the first page, all right, which is good. But we don't want you just on the first page. We want you on the top 3. So when people are searching for those services in Jacksonville, Florida, you're already on their mind. So citations, you really need about 200 to 300 of these bad boys to become untouchable, and you come up with 12 so far. So definitely add some citations in there. The third thing I want to talk to you about was backlinks and link juice. So I go over to here, my tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a phenomenal SEO tool. It costs you about $170 for monthly, depending on your plan, but I highly recommend it if you want to do this on your own. You come up with 34 referring domains, 171 backlinks. I can see that the drive and the integrity websites aren't too shabby. You can also see organic keywords here. But what is this backlinks and link juice I'm talking about? Well, this link juice works like this. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your website. Therefore, LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have, let's use LinkedIn again. If you have LinkedIn linking to you, that would be more effective than, let's say, Pizza Hut linking at you. Because let's be honest, you sling foam installations for a living. You don't sling pizzas. All right. So these are your referring domains of backlinks, and this is your competition, Energy Seals. He has 64 referring domains of 508 backlinks, easily beatable with time. And I see that you're already not that far away from the top. I see you right here at number 8. All right, so I just want to wrap this up by going back over the 3 things. Add content, add a lot of those high-hitting volume keywords in there and rank for them. Add more citations, about 200 to 300 of those bad boys to become untouchable on this map pack. And when it comes to link juice and backlinks and guest posts, you need more relevant sites linking at you guys to show Google you are the authority. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-383-8479. Once again, my name is Josh and my number is 904-383-8479. I look forward to hearing from you and have a great day.